Oliver Harris, best affiliate on the planet. Now today I'm going to tell you how we're going to create coupons, put them into funnels, and make sure you set this up correctly, okay? So let's do that now. Okay, step one, what you're going to do is go onto, of course, the sub account, go to the payments tab, and then of course find yourself to the coupons tab, and let's create a coupon. Name whatever you want. I'm name this example, whatever code you want it to be. So I'm gonna say the code is going to be example 20 for 20% off. You can get a fixed coupon, for example, fixed £5 off, or what's common is a percentage coupon, so 20% off. So if someone types in example 20, they get 20% off. Start date, start today. It doesn't really, if you want it to end at a certain time, you can end it at a certain time, but I'm gonna keep this going forever. So tick this so it applies to reoccurring products. If you want this coupon to only be like used 5 times one time, then just tick that box there. If you want it to be selected to only a few products, select that there. If you want this only to be used per customer, so someone can't just spam it every time, make sure to tick that box. I'd highly recommend ticking that box. Then press create. Okay, now it's created. Now how do we put this onto our funnels? Okay, so go to Sites tab, go to funnels. Okay, now go onto a funnel, like a sales funnel. This is where they would purchase, so let's click on edit. Be sure to now click onto this box. What this box is a 2-step order form. So that's where like people put in their details, their card details, blah blah blah. Now go onto this. Now go to advanced. Now scroll down where it says enable coupon codes. If you disable it, it won't have the option. They have a choice to put the example 20 in and have 20% off. Let me show you in real time. So just a quick example. Here's the social media website product I just made. Now if you type in example 20, we should get 20% off. Okay, coupon code applied. Automatically does it. So now it's not 400, it's 320, which is pretty good. Then they can put the card in. Be sure you connect a Stripe to your account. If you want one-on-one mentoring with HighLevel and all these benefits here, be sure to sign up to HighLevel through my link, get the free trial, and then of course from there you'll get one-on-one mentoring with me, and I can specifically help you get things going with HighLevel. That's how we're going to create coupons and put them into funnels. Any questions, drop a comment. I make videos on any questions that you guys have. Please like the video, helps me out, and yeah, thank you.